friends, today we're going to make an apple by using a paper plate, some red paper, and some green paper. First, you're going to start by tearing the paper. Tearing paper uses the muscles in your hand, so if you can, just do your best and tear it. You don't want teeny tiny pieces, but if you do, that's fine. This size is pretty good. You're going to tear as many pieces as you can to cover your entire plate. I don't think that's enough. Let's tear some more. It also makes a really cool sound. Can you hear it? Try again. Can you hear it? It's an awesome sound that it makes. You're going to go in your box, use your glue stick. Just put a little bit on all over. Press it down. And you'll want to count to 10 to make sure that it sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it sticks. And then you can go on to another section of your plate. And then just keep going to have done the entire apple. Then you're going to need a stem. You can do any kind of stem you want. That looks a little big. Let's listen to that sound again. What a cool sound. We're going to put some glue at the top. And there's our stem. Just like the cover of our book. We're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's our apple. Enjoy, friends. Bye.